What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete apps on your Android device. Whether you want to free up space or remove apps you no longer use, I've got you covered. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, you can delete Android apps from your home screen. Simply locate the app you want to delete and press and hold the icon in your home screen. A pop-up menu will appear with various options. Select Uninstall or the Remove option, depending on your device. You might have to confirm the app deletion, and the app will be removed. Another way to delete apps is through the Settings menu. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Select Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your Android version. You'll see a list of installed apps on your device. Scroll through the list and find the app you want to remove. Tap on the app and it will take you to its information page. Tap the Uninstall button and confirm the action to delete the app from your Android device. Lastly, you can also uninstall apps directly from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app and tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner to open this menu. Select My Apps and Games from the menu to access the list of all of your installed apps. Here, you'll find all your installed apps. Locate the app you want to delete and select it. Tap the Uninstall button and the app will be removed from your Android device. And that's it. You now know 3 simple ways to delete apps on your Android device. Whether you prefer doing it from the home screen, the settings, or the Play Store, it's easy to free up space and keep your device clutter-free. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.